We are at a historic location, and this is Parque de Berlin in Madrid, which has the final remains of the Berlin Wall, which divided East and the West Germany, which was eventually taken down in 1990 and formed a single unified Germany. These are the three wall remains which have been installed over here for people to visit. It's a beautiful park with complete greenery all around us. A huge park with a jogging track, a football court, a basketball court, and a kids play area with plenty of fountains. But amidst the entire park, what stands out is this piece of history, which remains a significant event of the 20th century.